Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to enter your Windows product key, but couldn't find it anywhere? It can be quite frustrating, right? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you 3 simple methods to find your Windows product key easily. Let's kick things off with method 1, using command prompt. This method is incredibly simple and straightforward. To begin, click on Start and type CMD in the search bar. Next, select Run as Administrator to open the command prompt. Don't forget to click Yes when Windows asks for permission to access the app. Now it's time to enter the following command. You can also find the command in the description, so you can easily copy and paste it. Hit Enter, and voila, your Windows product key will be displayed on the screen. Remember to copy it and store it in a secure location for later use. If method 1 didn't work for you, don't worry, we have another method that might do the trick. Let's move on to method 2, using PowerShell. Once again, go to Start and type PowerShell in the search bar. Make sure to select Run as Administrator to open Windows PowerShell. If prompted, grant access by clicking Yes. In the PowerShell window, you can either type or copy and paste the following code. You can also find the command in the description. Now just hit Enter, and your product key will be displayed on your screen. Again, simply note down your product key and store it in a secure location. Now let's move on to method 3, using the Registry Editor. This method involves exploring the Windows registry. Go to Start and type REGEDIT in the search bar. Select Run as Administrator to open the Windows Registry Editor. Again, if prompted, grant access by clicking Yes. Now, it's time to navigate to the following path. In the Registry Editor, go to key_local_machine and then select Software. Now select Microsoft and scroll all the way down to find and select Windows NT. Next, select the Current Version folder within Windows NT. Inside the Current Version folder, locate and select the Software Protection Platform folder. To make it even easier for you, I will link it in the description that you can simply copy and paste into the registry directory right here. Once you've reached the Software Protection Platform key, you'll find the product key under Backup Product Key Default. There you have it. It may require a bit of navigation, but it can be a valuable method to retrieve your key. And that's it. 3 easy methods to find your Windows product key. Remember, having your product key handy is crucial for activating and reactivating Windows, so go ahead and give these methods a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you next time.